bringing you another Microsoft PowerPoint video. In this video, I'll review how to convert your PowerPoint file to an MP4 video file. Let's get started. So let's say you've created a self-running slideshow packed with animations, voiceover, and/or music, and you want to be able to deliver it in a web-friendly format. And you can't use PDF because, as you know, PDF will not preserve the animation, sound, and other media. So MP4 is a good choice at this point in time. Beginning in PowerPoint 2013 and higher, you can convert your slideshow directly to MP4 via File Save As. So I want to go over a couple things that are pretty important before you save to MP4 file format. You want to make sure that your PowerPoint is automatically going to launch. So you want to make sure that the manual option is not turned on in the slideshow setup. In the slideshow tab in Setup Show, you want to make sure that manually is not selected. You want to use timings, and to set up your timings, you have to click Rehearse Timings and then basically let the slideshow run while you're practicing it, and then you can time out exactly how long you want each slide to appear before it proceeds to the next slide. So the other option that I would recommend is if you want to have your file loop continuously, just make sure that this checkbox loop continuously until escape is checked, and that will let it run. When it gets to the end, it'll just start over again. And if you need help with the rehearse timings and how to set up the timings in your slideshow, you want to refer to my PowerPoint video number 13, where I go over all the slideshow setup options. Okay, so once you have your slideshow ready, to convert it to MP4, you just click File, Save As, Browse, and then the Save As dialog box. Navigate to the location to save your video, change your file name as needed, and in the Save As Type drop-down, select MP4. And I'll click Save, and at the bottom of the screen, a progress bar down in here will display, and now that's going to take a couple minutes depending on the size of your file. For example, this particular slideshow, which is about 15 slides with animation, and I have music playing in the background, took a couple minutes for it to convert when I tested it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this convert, and I will fast forward in a moment to the end of the conversion. And one more thing I wanted to mention, that if for some reason you needed to cancel the conversion while it's converting, there's a little circle here with a little X, and you would be able to cancel it if needed. And the conversion is just about finished, and when it's finished, it won't alert you or anything. The progress bar will just disappear, and then you'll know that it's completed. Okay, so it's all finished at this point, so I'm going to navigate to the folder where I have saved the file, which is this here, MP4. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and launch the MP4 file. As I end this video, I'll just let it play. It has a lot of cool animation. This is a template I found in the newer version of PowerPoint. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, please remember to click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.